Okay, it's Sunday the 18th. I don't know that we did any video last week at all. I think we did. I think we did one day. We just needed a break from it. That's all it was. Wasn't even being lazy. I just needed a break from it. Plus I didn't really have time to edit them, and I told her, I said, I'm just not going to do it because we don't have time. So that's why. So we'll just leave last week as if it never happened. It wasn't a bad week. We were just busy. So yeah. So today's Sunday. I don't even know what time it is. 7 o'clock at night. Yeah, 7 o'clock in the evening. Just heading back out. We got home like Tuesday night of last week. We needed to get home Wednesday, but we ended up getting home Tuesday night because they didn't have anything out of where we were. Long story short. So Patty said, well, I can just have you go home. You guys leave out Sunday. So that's what we did this week. So we're heading out to Hawn in Ontario.
We forgot to get fuel Friday.
Yeah.
So we're kind of low.
Yeah, we've completely, I don't know why. Wasn't even paying attention. You know, a lot of times I look down and I see the def gauge, and I don't think I'm mistaken it for the fuel gauge, but I just see it at like 3/4 and I don't think much of it. But yeah, we're sitting on, we're below an eighth of a tank. The light's on, the donger's been going off, saying primary fuel tank low. So we're going up to I-80, which is only like 30 miles from our house. So we're going to go to the I-80 truck stop. World's largest truck stop, in case you didn't know. World's largest parking lot is what it consists of.
Yeah.
It's not the world's largest truck stop. It's just a massive parking lot, like 900 parking spots.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's where we're going to get fuel because that's one of our stops anyway. So we're going to go there and get it rather than go to Brooklyn like we usually do. It's like 80 miles, 85 miles to Brooklyn.
Yeah, we don't want to chance it.
Yeah, from our house. Probably could have made it, but you know, might as well just go here. It's closer. So anyway, nothing really exciting has been going on. Last week was just like I said, it was kind of busy. It was kind of rushed around. I don't remember why we even had to get home early. Why did we have to get home?
We had an appointment.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, Wednesday.
I don't even remember. So yeah, so that's why we need to get home early. We had an appointment Wednesday. Thank you, kind lady.
Had an appointment Wednesday, and then we spent most of the day Wednesday and Thursday and Friday getting out crap out of the basement and out of the house.
Yep. Trying to get everything downsized for when we got our land out in Arizona, so we don't have to pack a bunch of stuff that we don't need.
Yeah.
So we've been cleaning stuff out. Yeah, we're on a 16th of a tank of fuel right now. But the I-80 is right up here. I mean, it's right there where it says Walcott. It's just on the other side of that water tower. So yeah, anyway, we're going to California again. We're going Ontario first, and then when we're done at Ontario, we're going over to City of Industry, going over to Macy's, and picking up some stuff there, and bringing that back to, I think, Cedar Rapids.
Yeah.
But I don't think we're going to deliver it because it's a live unload for the 26th, which isn't even until next Monday.
Yeah, we'll be back like Wednesday.
See that kamikaze bird?
I did, yeah.
So yeah, and we'll be back, like she said, Tuesday or Wednesday. So that'd be way too early. Other than that, not really much to tell you guys. Just want to do an update for y'all.
Yeah. We need to find out if we can either up our appointment time.
Yeah.
Or be able to sleep there because we're going to get there middle of the night Tuesday morning. So.
Yeah, our appointment at Macy's is a live load, I guess, and that's Tuesday at 9 in the morning, and we're gonna get into there at like 1 o'clock or midnight even. So we're gonna get a hold of Patty tomorrow and see if maybe she can bump that appointment up, and we don't have to set for 9 hours to start our week out.
Yeah, but I think I don't think they're open 24 hours, are they?
Nah, 4 a.m. it says, but that might, I don't
maybe
know.
we can get.
Even if we can get a 4 a.m., that'd be amazing. Save us 5 hours of setting. So, alright, well, we'll shut up and let you guys see the I-80 truck stop here.
Oh, yeah, that's cute. That's new.
Yeah, they've done a lot of work here.
That truck billboard, that's kind of new.
I know, yeah, that's new. So we'll let you guys enjoy it, and I will make us disappear, and you can now see the I-80 truck stop as we pull in.
Yay.
Yeah. That is a new sign, though.
It is. It's cute.
Yeah. this guy's doing all of about 4. So.
Pull out in front of us and drives like grandma. That's cute.
Cool. It's a pretty cool sign they got there. Alright, so this is the I-80 truck stop for those that have not seen it. On the left there was a museum. This place up here on the left, is that part of the museum?
No. I don't know what that is.
I'm not sure what that is.
The museum is just that building right there.
Yeah, they just put that in not too long ago, so I'm not sure what that is. You can see it is I mean it's a big parking lot, don't get me wrong. I don't think I've ever seen this place full.
Yeah, I've seen it full. That night I wanted to stay.
Well, I don't think it was full, it was just some of the parking you didn't want to attempt, but
well,
that's the truck-o-mat there where we get our truck washed. Yeah, that's all we'll say about that.
We did good the last time.
Yeah, the last time they done a decent job, but that was the first decent job we've gotten out of about 50 washes there, let's be honest. I think it's right around there. Alright, we got to get our fuel.